Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. So, Assalamu alaikum. This is Misbah Sajid and I welcome you all to my channel Talim for Everyone. Welcome to New Syllabus Mathematics Book 2 7th edition. Chapter 10 Pythagorean Theorem from New Syllabus Mathematics Book 2 D2 7th edition. So, in this video, we are going to see worked example 3 from chapter number 10. So here it is our worked example 3. So let's read out the statement of this question of this example. So in triangle ABC, if you see it is a triangle A, B and C and an angle C is of 90 degree. Okay, so I hope so this thing is clear to you. P lies on side BC. There is a point P that is lying on the side BC and in such a way that BP is equal to BP. This side is equal to 21 centimeter. Okay, let me highlight this side. Okay, and next is PC is equal to 15 centimeter. Let me highlight this side as well again. So okay, with different color. Okay, so it is okay. And next is an AP is equal to 25 centimeter. AP, this side AP is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay, let me highlight this side as well with different color so you can differentiate easily. Okay, and calculate the length of AC. We have to find the length of AC, that is this, and the AB, that is this. Okay, so I hope so this thing is clear to you all. Okay, let me erase it. It is just okay. So this thing is clear to you all. Okay, we have to find the length AC and length AB. Okay, so this side is AC and this whole side is AB. All right. So first we find AC. So for finding AC, we will use this triangle. If you see this triangle, we will use this triangle. So we will use this triangle only. So just wait and have a look. We will use this triangle, triangle APC. We will use only this triangle, triangle APC. So here it is written clearly that in triangle APC, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Okay, and using Pythagorean theorem, hypotenuse is square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, before moving further, before proceeding, I would like to let you know that we will first identify that which side is called as hypotenuse and perpendicular and base. So if you see this side AP, this is opposite 90 degree right angle. So this is called as hypotenuse. You can represent it hypotenuse by C, small c. This side AC is known as, you can say, perpendicular. According to your book, it is represented by a small b, and this is base. Okay, this PC side is base and it is represented by A. Okay, so we have to find perpendicular. Okay, so hypotenuse would be replaced by C square, perpendicular square with by B square, base square by A square. Okay, and now replace C square by AP square, because C is hypotenuse and hypotenuse in triangle APC is AP, side AP. Okay, B square would be replaced by AC whole square and A square would be replaced by PC whole square. Okay, so I hope so this thing is clear to you all. Now next step is that we have to find the side perpendicular. Okay, AC we have to find. So AC whole square is equal to AP square minus PC whole square. Now put the value of AP and PC over here in this equation. So AP is equal to 25 centimeter and PC is equal to 15 centimeter. 25 whole square, 25 centimeter whole square is 625 centimeter whole square, and 15 centimeter whole square means it is 225 centimeter whole square. So AC square is equal to 625 centimeter whole square minus 225 centimeter whole square would be equal to 400 centimeter square. So AC square is equal to 400 centimeters square. Okay, now what we will do, we will apply square root on both sides. Okay, this is the proper method. You may use a calculator after that. Okay, this is the proper method. Okay, so square cancel out. This is square root can cancel out, this is square and this is square root cancel out, this is square and this is square root, it can be cancelled out. Now you may use calculator over here on this step, and the square root of 400 is 20. So AC is equal to 20 centimeter. So the length of AC is equal to 20 centimeter. So I hope so this thing is clear to you. Next we will find the length of AB. Okay, so for AB length, what I have done, I just erased the side AP. Okay, and we have just found the side AC that is equal to 20 centimeter. All right. Now, if you see this side is perpendicular, you can represent it perpendicular by a small b. This side AB is known as hypotenuse because it is opposite of 90 degrees. So you can represent hypotenuse by small c. This overall BC is known as base and it can be represented by small a. This is BC. We don't have the total value of BC, but we know that PC and we know that there is a point P lying on a BC side BC. So PC is equal to 15 centimeter and BP is equal to 21 centimeter. So what we will do, we will just add 21 plus 15. So 21 plus 15. So it would be equal to 36 centimeters. So side BC, that is base, is equal to 36 centimeter. Okay. So I hope so this thing is clear to you all as well. So now in triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Now we will use Pythagorean theorem over here, and it is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now hypotenuse will be replaced by C. So C square is equal to B square plus A square. And here if you see, we have to find the value of AB side AB, or we have to find the length of AB. It means that it is hypotenuse because it is opposite 90 degree right angle. So C square would be replaced by AB square. B square would be replaced by B square would be replaced by AC whole square plus A square would be replaced by BC whole square. We have just found the value of, we have just calculated the value of BC by adding 21 centimeter and 15 centimeter, that is equal to 36 centimeter. Okay. So AC whole square, it means it is a 20 centimeter whole square. BC square means it is 36 centimeter whole square because the value of AC is 20 centimeter. We have just found in previous slide. And BC, the side BC is equal to 36 centimeter. Okay, so 20 centimeter whole square is equal to 400 centimeter whole square. 36 centimeter whole square is equal to 1296 centimeter whole square. So AB whole square now is equal to 1696 centimeter whole square because I have just added 1296 with 400 centimeter square. Now in next step, we will apply square root on both sides. So it would be like this, written like this. So this is square and this is square root cancel out. This is square and this is square root would be cancel out. And next, on this step, you may use a calculator to find the square root of 1696. So you will get 41.18 something Okay, but according to your book, you have to give your answer. You have to present your final answer in three significant figure, using three significant figure. So it was 41.18 centimeters. So I have just round off this value. Okay, third digit. So it becomes 41.2 centimeter. So here I have used approximating sign. So AB is approximately equal to 41.2 centimeter. So the length of AB in the last you may write like the length of AB is equal to is 41.2 centimeter. So this is three significant figure. So this is all about worked example 3, and in next video I will try to explain practice now 3 in detail. Okay, so if you have any query, so you may comment your query, and in time I will try to resolve them as soon as possible. Okay. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit like and share my channel. Okay. So thank you once again. Allah Hafiz.